I tried Ywallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Ywallet app, I didn't expect much. It looked simple, almost minimalistic. But after 7 days of testing, the shocking truth is that Ywallet is one of the most secure, private and underrated wallets in the crypto world. From day one, I noticed something unusual. Ywallet focuses entirely on privacy coins like Scash and iCash. These coins use zero-knowledge proofs, which means transactions stay completely private. Not even the blockchain reveals who sent or received them. On day 2, I imported an existing wallet. The app generated keys locally and never connected to any centralized servers. That's a big deal. Most people get this wrong, but privacy starts with decentralization, not just encryption. By day 4, I sent my first transaction. It was lightning fast, with near zero fees, and the interface clearly showed both shielded and transparent balances. Ywallet also allows you to create watch-only wallets, meaning you can monitor funds without risking private keys. By day 6, I was impressed with its sensing performance. Even though privacy blockchains can be heavy, Ywallet's lightweight node system kept everything smooth and stable. By day 7, the shocking truth was undeniable. Ywallet doesn't care about trends or hype. It's built for privacy pures. It's not flashy, and it's not trying to impress. It just quietly delivers complete control and confidentiality over your money. If you value true privacy and self-custody, Ywallet is a gem hiding in plain sight. It proves that sometimes the simplest tools are the most powerful.